Okay, just a quick little video here on the GoPro Hero Black 7. I'm sending this back. This will be the second time. I've had it replaced once, and this is the replacement, and this is going back now. I only have one hand, but I'll open this up for you. Okay, this is the camera itself, and this is how you open the battery door. This little button right here, you push it down and then slide the door open. I can't do it with one hand. I can't do it at all without a tool. That's part of the reason. You can see it's scratched up there, because I have to use a screw or something to push this down and pull it enough. They just don't open up. I'm filming with the Hero 6, which it doesn't do that at all, and never did. This has always done that. But the other problems with this, and it could be all software related, but it doesn't really matter. It's kind of useless to me the way it is. And it could be related to the cold weather. I know they have cold weather problems with the Hero 7. The latest software says it solved some cold weather problems, but I haven't noticed that. So it must not have been the problems I'm having. One of the problems with this is if you jerk it a little bit to the side, it'll flip into vertical mode. It'll start filming vertical, and so it'll film a scene sideways, and it'll screw the whole scene up. I don't think there's a way to set it so that it never films vertical, because I would never want this to film vertical. It's a stupid mode to start with, and it flips a lot, and then sometimes when it does flip, the controls on here flip as well, and it'll be frozen with just the controls and a still image. And the only way to get it to unfreeze is to pull the battery, which I have to find a tool. I started carrying something with me to open the door, pull the battery, put the battery back in, and start it up again. Today, it had 2 scenes that I filmed that were unrecognizable. I don't know what the hell. I have no software that recognized whatever it did. So I lost 2 scenes that I was filming today. Never had that happen with the 6. Don't know what it did, if it tried flipping vertical again and froze, but it allegedly, the scene was on the screen, so I don't think that's what happened at that time. So this has got to go back. Unfortunately, it has great stabilization, and the time warp mode is really nice. I like both of them, but other than that, it's just buggy as hell. And it uses up batteries like there's no tomorrow. Oh, also, you can turn this thing off, and it will still have the red light on it, like it's on. Even though it's completely off, it'll have the red light on it, like it's on. And I've had the thing get really hot while it's off, and the battery's dead. So it's doing something while it's off, and no, it's not operator error, unless it's got some weirdness that is not in the 6. I've never had any problems with the Hero 6. So, piece of junk. The Hero 7 is going back, and either I'll wait until they come up with the fixes for this. I don't know how I'll know that. I don't know how many other people are having these problems with this thing, but either I'll wait until they get the thing fixed and then possibly get another one, or I'll wait till they come out with the Hero 8 and hope that that's better, or I will get a different camera. But that is not usable the way it is. So if anybody else out there is planning on getting a Hero Black 7, I would skip it. Get the 6. The 6 is not full of bugs like this. Maybe wait for the 8, or wait until they fix all the bugs, but this is not ready for prime time. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.